Guys, it's another day. We're gonna be working on the bed sides and the hood today. Everything's already cured. It's a little hard for you guys to see since everything in here is white, but you can see some brush marks. I purposely just brushed it on and left it a little coarse because I am gonna be coming in here and blocking everything. Now the majority of the panels are smooth because they were sprayed, so the center panels are good. So that's my blocking reference. But anywhere where I recall a low spots, I added some brush marks. Plus, I did this in order to fill any kind of pinhole voids. So everything's cured. I repaired the flex cracks that we had here and here. So that's what those are. We still have our nice crisp cutoff line, so that's not an issue. But now it's all sealed. Even if it's not perfectly smooth, I'm not worried about that. I wasn't trying to achieve that. We'll have our perfect line for cutting everything off once the parts are cured. But now we are ready to sand it, start clean it up, start waxing everything, and then get the first pieces out. Today I was looking at my GMC Sierra 2500 that we're using as our test mule that we're going to be testing and showing you guys a conversion kit. And I was noticing that if I want to show you guys how you guys can keep or do the minimal amount of work on, moving your fuse box, your coolant box or container and everything, I'm gonna have to skin the fenders, the OEM fenders, and remove that inner structure so I can keep it and then integrate that into the body kit. That'll be like the easiest way that you guys don't have to relocate everything. If you guys are, then you guys could just get rid of the whole fender, sell it if it's in good condition. But if you're trying to do a little bit more of a mild build, then the best thing would be for you guys to just skin the outer skin of the fender, toss the outer skin, and then keep the structure that holds the battery location, fuse box, some of the cable pins, what holds your air intake box, what holds your coolant reservoir. So that way you guys can keep all that and it's nice and clean. Your engine is not exposed from the wheel wells and stuff like that. I'll do the work in order to show you guys where you would have to cut that so you can retain as much as you need factory style and just have to do the minimal trimming. The radiator support brackets that connect to the fender, that's gonna have to be cut at a certain point because the big headlights, they're bulky from the new trucks. So there's no way around that. You need to cut that out. But I'll show you guys, that way you guys have the minimal trimming and there's no errors when you guys go to install one of our body kits.